Yung ano. Yung taas ali. Parisaro na rin.
Oo.
You're right. Thank you guys for coming. My name is Ron and I'm your tour guide. And thank you for choosing this tour. This is called Blast Tour and it's not called Blast Tour for nothing. Where we're going is 40 kilometers away. It's an island called Carnac Island. This is Garden Island and Carnac Island is just after Garden Island. And today is actually the perfect day to do jet skiing because the water is calm and yeah. But with Perth weather, you never know. It might change anytime.
Yeah.
Where Garden Island ends and where Carnac Island starts is an open channel. And if the wind peaks, we might experience some waves.
Yeah.
Because on that open channel, there's nothing that will be shielding us from the wind. Here, everywhere, here we'll be shielded from the wind with Garden Island. So only when we get to that channel, there's nothing that will be shielding us from the wind. So.
Hey!
Sila yun.
Saan?
Kaya tulog.
Asa di?
So ito, alang ito.
Nice kay
Nakatulog eh, dagan kayo. Pero,
dagan kay. Di na sila magawa sa kuha? Tubig?
busog siguro.